What's the meaning of bug? Bug. Bug.
Bug. Bug. In the world of computer programming, a bug is an error or flaw in code that causes unexpected results, crashes, or malfunctions of a program. Bugs can occur for a variety of reasons, such as mistakes made by programmers during development, conflicts between different software components, or issues with hardware or operating systems. When a bug is present within a program, it can cause incorrect outputs, slow performance, data loss, or even total system failure. Identifying and fixing bugs is an essential part of software development to ensure that programs behave as intended and are reliable for users.